Welcome back to a show about food. I'm Mike Rao, and today we are making ramen. We are in the midst of the COVID-19 crisis, so I am pulling out all the stops and breaking all the rules to make do with what I've got in the pantry. Let's go.
My oven is on at 450 degrees and full of bones, saved from various culinary projects and stuffed into my freezer just for this purpose. I've got everything from a joint of pork shoulder to beef and pork ribs to the bones of a whole chicken. I lightly coated them with oil and they'll roast for about 45 minutes or until they're fragrant and toasty, at which time they'll go into my pressure cooker. With some garlic and onions, this will get cooked at high pressure for about an hour and then left to cool at room temperature. After straining them into another vessel, I'll put them into the fridge for tomorrow, at which time it'll come out looking like this. The jiggle you're seeing here is all the gelatin pulled from the bones, which will give a fantastic velvety mouthfeel in the final soup. Soup heated, now to the toppings. Spinach and garlic sauteed with hoisin, black pepper, and a bit of fish sauce. Blanched bean sprouts tossed with a bit of Chinese chili oil. A variety of mushrooms, including oyster mushrooms and seafood mushrooms that I'm crisping up in a pan with some butter, fish sauce to double up on those savory notes, and a touch of salt. Let them go until they're super crispy. Trust, it's better that way. For my noodles, I'm adding baking soda and a touch of salt to a pot of water and adding linguine. I know, that's not right, but I'm making do with what I've got, and I bought way too much for the carbonara episode, so. Keep your noodles moving for the first couple minutes. That's when they're most prone to sticking together. Noodles are al dente, so all the components are finished and ready to come together. Time to plate. At the end of the day, I'm just trying to clean out the pantry and let nothing go to waste. The grocery stores are all kinds of crazy right now. I also know that I'm adding really non-traditional flavors to my toppings, but that's always one part of ramen that I thought could really get kicked up a notch, so please don't be offended if you're Japanese. And that's all there is to it. My super not so traditional, kind of out of necessity, let nothing go to waste ramen. Oh, I also sliced up some leftover pork that my mom made in lieu of adding char siu pork. If anything, this is the time to break free from all the rules and make things out of what you have in your pantry. Don't shy away from changing up recipes and trying new things. That's pretty much it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. So until next time, please be safe and practice social distancing and make delicious things to eat. Oh, and please hit that subscribe button. It's basically my boss. See you guys soon.